Okay, come over here and put your hands over his eyes. Good. You can do this a little bit. Yeah. Okay, step away and we'll get started, okay? Are you ready? Watch him. Yes, watch him. Go, 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 go. Pick him. Whoa, yes. Come with me. Walk on up. Calmly walk up and put your hands over his eyes like that. Good. Now take the leash, I'm sorry. Take the leash and let's go this way. Let him have the arm. Good. Excellent job. Very good. Turn around, face the bad guy. Okay, sit.
Sit. Sit.
Say flats.
Flats.
Tell him to go get the sleeve.
Go get the sleeve. Flats. Flats.
Good. And then hold him by the collar and agitate him. Go, watch him. Watch him. And in the line. Go on the line.
Watch him.
And I'll tell you to let him go. Let him go. Good. Praise the dog. Good. Okay, you can lock it up and make the OUT. Okay, sit.
Out. Sit.
Good. Tell him to step out.
Step out.
Tell him to stand still.
Stand still.
Tell your dog sit.
Sit.
Tell your dog down. Flats.
Flats. Flats.
Good. And then put your left leg over his back. You agitate and you pull him back. Ready? That's it.
Watch him. Watch him. Watch him.
Go, 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 go. Yes. And let him go whenever you want. Lock it up. And then you stay out.
Out. Out. Out.
Walk up. Good boy.
Oh boy.
Tell him sit.
Sit.
Tell him step back.
Step back.
Fight. Yes. There we go. Yes. Good. Good. Yes. Good.
Can we let this go?
Nope. Oh, that's crazy. Pet him. Good.
Good boy.
Yes. Good. Now what you do, you just hold by the collar here. Hold it with your hand. Let go of the leash or the sleeve. And you say, aus. And let go of it. And aus and kick the arm.
Aus.
Kick it. Good. Oh, yes. Yes. Go, go, go. Yes, this is fun. Let him go. Fuck him.
Hey. 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 Hey.
Yes. And then this part. Yes, like that. Yeah, that's fun. Go ahead, take his leash. What a good dog, huh? Isn't he fun?
Good boy. Sit.
And go ahead and agitate. And sit. Let him come.
Sit.
Nine. Walk up. Sit.
Sit.
Step back. Tell him step back. The dog's
Step
listening.
back.
Good. Tell him to turn around and move out.
Turn around and move out.
And you say foos.
Foos. Sit.
Stop.
Sit. Stop.
Good. Tell him stop, and then you tell your dog sit. Okay? Forward.
Forward.
Whenever you want to, you can stop.
Stop. Sit.
And then say down.
Flats.
Good. Tell him forward, and you say foos.
Forward.
Stop.
Stop. Sit. Sit.
Your left leg over the body. And agitate the dog. Agitate.
Watch him. Watch him.
Oh, wow! Check that out. Oh, yes, go praise the dog. Yes, that's your dog now. Yes, very good job. Good. Okay, let's take him home. Let him have it. Let's go.